All right, so I joined the regular army in 2000, year 2000. Started off in the infantry. Did that for about 4 years. Then I corps transferred to the medical corps in the defence in the army. Did about 7 years as a medic there. Deployed once to Afghanistan, Kuwait in 2009. And finished my career in 2012. This is my second time around doing the Warrior Revival, and so I sort of had an idea of what we were going to be doing. It's a good course. The course goes for 10 days. The first few days, like any sort of change of scenery, can be a little bit of a trial, a little bit of a test. And so I've got a couple of musculoskeletal type injuries, and it takes a couple of days to get the body used to that, the movements that we go through. But yeah, so once the body sort of adapts to that, and it's a very manageable kind of program that we do physically here. It's manageable in that way. So it's once we've adapted to that, you really do sort of settle into the rest of the course. So what I'll be able to take with me and use on a day-to-day basis from this course, well, I guess it's the breathing techniques that we go through quite a bit here, that linked with the physical movements that we've learnt. It's actually a really grounding kind of activity that you can do. It's good for veterans good for people with mental health issues. It's good for people with physical injuries, recovering from those sorts of things. So it really does, it provides a lot of value to people, whatever kind of condition you might have.